Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more latest collection, latest ideas. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women just in this video. I hope you like it. So beautiful collection of hairstyling in low maintenance. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyles, beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. Different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. Mostly ideas of in low maintenance, haircut, in undercut. Beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of base color. And many much more latest and trendy collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women just see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll start back with new collection. New ideas. Take care and bye bye.